A journey to remember. Leela had always dreamed of traveling to far-off places, and this year, she decided to make that dream a reality. With her backpack packed and a map in hand, she set off to explore the vibrant streets of Barcelona. As she arrived, the warm sun greeted her, and the scent of fresh churros filled the air. Leela wandered through the narrow alleys, her eyes wide with wonder. She admired the stunning architecture of the Sagrada Familia and lost herself in the colorful mosaics of Park Güell. The city was alive with music and laughter, and she felt a sense of freedom she had never experienced before. One evening, while sitting at a local cafe, Lila struck up a conversation with a friendly artist named Javier. He shared stories of his life in Barcelona, painting vivid pictures of the city's history and culture. Intrigued, Lila asked if he could show her his favorite spots. The next day, they explored hidden gems that tourists rarely saw, from quaint bookshops to charming rooftop views. As her trip came to an end, Leela felt a mix of happiness and sadness. She had collected beautiful memories, but she knew she would miss the vibrant city and her new friend. Before she left, Javier handed her a small painting of the sunset over the sea. "A reminder of your adventure," he said with a smile. On her flight home, Leela reflected on her journey. Travel had opened her heart and mind, reminding her that the world was full of stories waiting to be discovered.